Show me, like this.
Oh, look behind you.
What?
This bigger shit.
This is what I was talking about, guys. This is kangaroo steak. This is actually from kangaroo. Should I try it? Let me know in the comments.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Wagwan, wagwan.
Wagwan.
Good morning, good night, good afternoon to you all.
Good morning to your night. Wagwan.
Yeah, man. Me a little bobo there in the morning.
Yeah, man. Wake up.
Yeah, man. So, what's been happening, my beautiful people, is that it's been extremely cold and not even the sun is helping because it's so windy. Me and Island wanted to go on bike ride adventures and things like that, you know, and explore. But I'm telling you, to be outside, it's not even worth it, and I'm not gonna put Island through that, and myself as well. So yeah, it's just not nice being outside. It's a beautiful day, sun is out, but too windy, you know. There's some places right now that's it's snowing in Australia. I even saw it on the news yesterday about it just being extremely cold in Australia, you know. So the temperatures have really dropped down and everybody feeling it, and especially me that don't like this weather. Oh my god, I'm telling you, sometimes it feels like I don't have any use for my own hand them, so you must know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, we are go wash the car in the morning, yeah, you know, and yeah, see what the day brings, you know what I mean. And also an update with my music. So I link up with a rapper, Aussie rapper, you know what I mean, and he has his own studio, he records himself, mixes himself, and yeah, so he wanted to do a collab with me. The collab is gonna be a part of his project, which is gonna be an album. So, you know, he said he wanted to work with a Jamaican artist for the longest while, and you know, he couldn't believe it that a talent like me is out here in Casino. So he's excited to work with me and things, so as I am as well, because you know it's been a long time, and you know a collab is something new, something refreshing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I almost finished my verse, so we're gonna be doing the studio time next week. So we already planned the studio time, and he also sent me another song that he want me to do the chorus of. So yeah, things are looking up for the music, and I can't wait to share this with you all. So also stay tuned for that. Yes, man. So there in Australia, you know, for all who new, I'm a Jamaican living in Australia. Yeah, been here almost 3 years. I go to this is actually my first time gonna be washing the car by myself. So hopefully I figure this thing out on the machine. I think I can use my card and just wash the car. So you have to do it quickly before the timer runs out and things. So I'm gonna be doing that right about now, and we're almost here. So let's do this. Should I put on my glasses? It's actually really bright.
I love you, Dad. Let's sing that song.
I love you, Gigi.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So we are the air. We are the ear. It looks quite busy here too.
So busy here, connecting the car with Dad. It's so busy here.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, we're hearing lots. That's what's
Car wash 24 hours later. Here's a wash on duty. So I can wash it by myself here as well.
Well, I wanna watch it.
Huh?
I wanna watch it.
Yeah, let's go up here. Alright, so can wash it right here. So we're here. Put the car in park.
You're going to say to a guy.
Alright, so we're here now. Just pulled up and gonna get this show on the road, yeah? So let's hope we can figure this thing out. Buy car then wash this thing. Yeah. Doing it manually, you know? So this is what it looks like.
Please select your card or your mobile phone.
So right here you can see I'm giving it a quick rinse off, washing off the dirt before I use the brush to actually wash the car. So unfortunately I didn't start recording the first part of the video when I was washing the car with the brush. So this is like the rinsing and thing like that, so enjoy my people. This is how the small country town looks during the weekdays.
What? You will play my blue game. What? You will play my blue game. It's Robbie.
We'll get to do so many. Bobo Island, Johnny. So quickly run into Coles and get toothpaste and them thing there, you know. Roll on. That little bubble, fully warmed in the winter. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Island, let's go.
Okay. Can I get something, Dad?
What you want?
I'll get something.
What you feel like?
I feel like. Face totally achy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last night his mama's hurt.
Yeah.
Dad, can you get some yogurt?
Yeah. Yogurt?
Yes. Tummy funny like a gummy bear. Can I get it? Can I get one?
Which one? This?
Yeah.
Sure you want it?
Yes.
Milo?
Yeah, I like Milo.
Okay. There's something I want to show you guys if I see it anyway. I think I found it. This is what I was talking about, guys. This is kangaroo steak. This is actually from kangaroo. Should I try it? Let me know in the comments. But I don't know about that. Island?
Yes.
Have you ever seen kangaroo meat?
Yeah, kangaroo meat. When I can chop them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think I want to try it
Why?
because no, I don't think so.
That's not the baby. Oh, Bluey one. Bluey. Dad, see behind you one.
It's nappies.
Yes.
Pampers.
Yeah, nappies.
Yeah, when you caca, that's what it goes.
Yeah,
goes in.
can I take it for the baby? My baby.
Yeah, your little sister.
Yeah, can you take it?
Okay, next time.
Why? But someone's going to choke. They have a baby.
They say you're preparing for the baby.
Maybe someone's going to choke it.
Nobody will take him. Nobody will take her.
No, not the baby, the blue one.
Okay, the bluey one. Get a speed stick.
What?
Looking for a roll-on for mommy.
What?
Roll-on.
Hola.
Yeah, I'm trying to see the one that she normally uses.
Pink one or red one?
I don't see any pink one. This is the one she normally uses. Yeah, she likes this one.
Hola.
Hey boy.
Day, oi boy.
Ding.
Ting,
Bing.
ting.
Look at where we are.
Yeah, look we are.
What you want?
Ah.
You have one of that already at home. Choose something else.
Please. It's not the red one. Oh, how many? Oh, look behind you.
What?
This bigger chips.
Which bigger chips?
No, that one.
This one?
Yeah, no,
Oh, that-
that one next to
This
it.
one?
Yes.
What is this? Atomic tomato. Let me see. Okay, cut potato chips. You wanna try this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe that's my potato chips.
Your potato.
That's where it's potato chips.
Okay.
Maybe that's my second, Dad. That's my second. That's my second.
No, don't do that. Don't do that, Bobo.
Why?
Because it's not appropriate. What's this? What is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's Milo. You just throw it like that.
Oh, what about green one?
One.
Why?
Yeah.
I found it on you.
Oh, did you?
That?
You farted?
Yes.
What a naughty boy. What a naughty boy.
You naughty boy.
Grapes are 17 a kilo. Expensive. Anyway, let's get some grape.
Thank you. Great day. A bag?
No bag. We are out now, Island.
What?
We are outside.
Yeah, what's that man is right there?
That's not a man, it's a woman. Back on street again. Oh,
I'm so scared.
kind of traffic a go on in the road about them man.
Go home, I'm gonna run.
Yes, Bubba, we are go home and know. We don't know. Time cool, we have to go lock down and watch movie and them sitting there. You don't know. Yo. So this was a Asian restaurant, got burnt down recently.
My God, we're going to watch again. Stay home here.
Shower time.
Hey, I can wash my hands. What's my
Show me. Open up the teeth. Show me like this. Spit out the water.
the answer? Why?
Tara,
Why?
it's cold out there, so you have to
Why?
come and put it on.
Why? Why, Dad? This is not a shirt. This is cocoa. This is cocoa. This is not a shirt. This is cocoa.
It's your jumper.
No, it's not my jumpers or clothes or cocoa. It's cocoa.
What is cocoa?
Yes, it is cocoa. No, cocoa. No.
It's fish for dinner. Good old salmon. Yeah, man. So salmon is one of, well, since I've been living in Australia, Other than like tuna or what you call it, Spanish mackerel, definitely salmon is like my favorite fish. You know, even the snappers and all of that don't taste good as salmon. For some reason, I really love salmon. Yeah, man. So that's what's for dinner. So babes will be coming home soon. So you know, preparing dinner for the family and things. So yeah, man, that is it, my beautiful people. Give thanks for watching today's video, and I really hope you all enjoy this video. Yeah, yes, man. So catch you in the next one. We on a roll now. Let's go now.